How to share WhatsApp link. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'm going to guide you through the steps on how you can share WhatsApp link, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now by this what you mean is that let's say you want to create a link for WhatsApp. Instead of directly sharing your number, you would like to create a link where if people click on that link they will be able to contact you on WhatsApp. So to create this type of link, we can't do it from WhatsApp itself, so we will open up our browser. Then we'll just come to this website, which is create.wa.link. I will make sure to drop a link below. This is the website that will allow you to create your own WhatsApp link. So here you can see create a free WhatsApp link. Tap on it. Now the only thing you have to do is just simply select your country and then make sure to select your phone number here. Once you enter the country and phone number, tap on generate by WhatsApp link, and then this website will create a link for you where next time if people click on that link, so you can just go ahead and copy that link or the QR code, they will be able to contact you directly on WhatsApp. So this way you should be able to go ahead and then share WhatsApp link. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end and see you soon in the next video.